Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Temple Run. This endless runner game challenges you to escape with a cursed idol. Your main goal is to run as far as possible, collecting coins and avoiding obstacles. You'll need quick reflexes to swipe left or right to turn, jump over gaps, and slide under fallen trees. Keep an eye out for power-ups to help you on your journey, and remember, the demon monkeys are always right behind you. Mastering the controls is key to a high score. To jump, simply swipe your finger upwards on the screen. For low-hanging obstacles, a downward swipe will make your character slide underneath. When the path curves, swipe left or right to navigate the turn smoothly. Additionally, tilting your device allows you to move your character slightly to the sides, which is crucial for collecting coins or dodging narrow hazards. Coins are essential for progress in Temple Run. As you run, collect as many as possible to spend in the store. You can purchase new characters, one-time save abilities, and upgrade your power-ups. Speaking of power-ups, they offer temporary advantages. The coin magnet, for example, pulls all coins towards you for about 10 seconds. The boost power-up propels you forward at high speed, covering a significant distance quickly. To achieve truly high scores, focus on strategic upgrades. Investing in the coin magnet and boost power-ups early can significantly increase your coin collection and distance. Always try to complete the 3 objectives presented, as they reward substantial coin bonuses. Pay close attention to the game's repeating obstacle patterns. Recognizing them will help you anticipate your next move. Consistent practice is the best way to sharpen your reflexes and improve your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.